Good morning everyone, I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Baidu's AI chatbot to power Samsung's new smartphone, Realme 12 Pro Series 5G launched in India, Satya Nadella to visit India in February, discuss new opportunities with AI, Samsung to start making laptops in India this year, OnePlus returns to Germany, Gen AI predicted to become a $100 billion industry by 2026, ITEL to launch new power series of smartphones and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below and don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Samsung's S24 smartphone series integrates Baidu's AI-powered chatbot Ernie for real-time call translation and responses. Ernie is featured in editing, search, messaging, and the new Circle to Search option offering versatile AI capabilities. Baidu's latest Ernie 4.0 enhances understanding, generation, reasoning, and memory for AI-native applications. CEO Robin Lai sees Ernie unlocking unlimited opportunities for new innovations. Realme introduces the 12 Pro Series 5G featuring Realme 12 Pro Plus 5G and Realme 12 Pro 5G. Pro Plus model boasts a 64-megapixel periscope telephoto camera, luxury watch-inspired design, 120Hz curved vision display, and 67-watt SuperVOOC charging. Realme 12 Pro 5G features a 120Hz curved vision display, Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, and 67-watt SuperVOOC charging, available in various colors and storage variants. Microsoft Chairman and CEO Satya Nadella to visit India on 7 and 8 February. He will engage with the developer community and technologies, addressing opportunities with AI. The visit aligns with Microsoft's commitment to utilizing technology for increasing opportunities in India. Nadella emphasized the power of technology, especially AI, to enhance the lives of Indians. Samsung is set to commence laptop manufacturing at its Noida factory in India this year. Preparations for laptop production are already underway, aligns with Samsung's commitment to strengthening manufacturing in India. Noida plant expand manufacturing portfolio to include laptops. OnePlus resumes smartphone sales in Germany following a cross-licensed 5G patent agreement between Nokia and Oppo. OnePlus Open Foldable available for purchase. OnePlus 12 and 12 are open for pre-order with discount. The OnePlus 12 series include flagship OnePlus 12 and budget-friendly OnePlus 12R. Features top-tier specifications and innovative technology. Report by allindex.com predicts generative AI Gen AI to reach a $100 billion industry by 2026. OpenAI's ChatGPT is cited as a pivotal movement in the Gen AI market growth. Global market is expected to surpass $207 billion by 2030. The United States leads, followed by China and Germany. ITEL set to enter the smartphone market with the ITEL Power Series. In collaboration with Google, the series promises groundbreaking features. The inaugural model to feature Android 14 Go edition aiming for an advanced and optimized mobile experience. Partnership with Google underscores ITEL's commitment to delivering innovative technology. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।